Hey guys, this is the Seac Fox mask for snorkeling and diving, and I'm going to show you how to fit in snap-in prescription lenses. So these can be found in 0.5 increments, so starting from -1 to -1.5, -2 and so on. They are symmetrical, so the left and right side both fit. So this one is a -2, it fits here, but then it also fits on this side, like this. So in order to get it installed, we need to remove this frame first, so we can find these little grooves in here to pry it open. So they are around the mask here, and the same on the other side. So you most likely can find somewhere the correct tool, but for some reason Dive In does not provide the tool for it, and what I'm going to use is a flathead screwdriver. I added some tape to maybe lessen the damage to the plastic when I'm prying it open. You could also try using some pry tools, plastic pry tools, or maybe something like this, but this is too thin, so it will bend. Okay, so let's start from here. Okay, so now that's the first one which is open. Okay, let's try to get this one next. Okay, let's try to get this one next. I switched to a thinner screwdriver. Okay, so I have this side now. Let's go to the other side. Okay, so to get this part out, you push inward to get those clips out, then you go around here and push inward again. Now that side is out. Needs quite a bit of force to push that open. And now it's snapped out. Now we should be able to push the lenses out. So I'm going from the inside to push it out. Okay, it seems the silicone mask comes out here as well, so don't push that too much. Just pop the other one out. And now we should be able to fit in the new lenses, and just comparing the thickness, you can see that the new one is thicker, but the edge isn't thicker. So let's see how hard it will be to snap in the frame back in. Just make sure that the silicone is at the bottom of the frame, and then drop in the lens. And now the other side, let's push in the silicone and then drop in the lens here. Push that in. And now we should snap in the frame. Okay. Try to get it back in the same order which you got it out. So first these sides should snap in. some of the clips might be harder to snap back in, so what I'm going to do is wrap it up in a foam and then use a plier. Okay, after some struggle, I was actually able to push the sides in with my fingers, as long as I went in the correct order, like going first here, then this one, and then this and this, and finally this. But the top one here did not snap in without pliers, so this I wrapped it up in some foam and then used the pliers to push this one in, and now all of the sides are back in place. But yeah, I did scratch the plastic here a bit. So that's how you can install the prescription lenses yourself. But yeah, if you can find a store which provides you the service for a few extra euros, like 10 euros per mask, I would say it's easier to pay that and get the mask delivered to you with the prescription lenses pre-installed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. If you're interested in information on how to select a mask with prescription lenses, go watch this video next. Thanks for watching.